Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound update driver on your Roblox. So first thing first, come below at the search bar, type in sound settings, launch it, scroll all the way below, select this all sound devices, and you will see output devices. Under there, select speakers. In here, make sure the volume is 100% and select check for driver updates. If there is any updation available, you may go ahead and update all of it. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, come below at the search bar, type in Device Manager and launch it. Wait for this to load, and under here you will see audio inputs and outputs. Expand it and update it one by right-click onto it, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Once done, close this. Repeat the same process for whatever you have under your audio inputs and outputs. Once it is, so go ahead, restart your device, and this shall work.